Hi everybody, today we have a very simple, very easy polymer clay color mixing video. I'm going to show you how I made this green using Sculpey Primo polymer clay. If you're new here, I don't measure out clays when I'm mixing color. I don't use color recipes. I do everything by eye, but I like to show everyone my process, how I get to the colors that I want, and hopefully that will help you learn how to mix the colors on your own so that you can get the colors that you want when you can't buy the color that you want to use. So let's get into it. As far as greens for Sculpey Primo, so basically I've made this green because I want to use it for plants. So this is like a sort of more natural kind of green, dark, deep green. The greens that you can buy, we have this Sculpey Primo just green. Oh, the color's rubbing off a little bit there. It's not a great green if you want to do leaves or plants or anything like that. It has its uses, but it's really a little bit neon and it's really not great for what I want to use it for. The other green that they have that is a little bit more similar to what I need is this green here. Where's the color? I think I've ripped it off. This one's called Forest Green. So it's a little bit closer to what I'm looking for, but it still doesn't look very natural. Like, I'm not going to go outside and see a leaf that's this color. It's a little bit, you know, it's a little bit unnatural. It's not really what I'm going for. This is the color I want. All right, so I'm going to show you how I made this. What colors do we need to get to this green? It took me a while. It took me a little bit of trial and error to figure this out. Obviously, I'm thinking, how do we make green? Green is blue and yellow. Okay, so I tried mixing blue and yellow. I tried adding colors to this, but I want a dark, deep green. So obviously it's only going to be as dark as the clays I'm mixing together. So if I mix that with anything, it's still going to be too light. So we're not using any of that. We're not using green at all. Okay, we need to start with a dark blue, navy. All right, that's nice and dark. That's what we want. So all we need is navy and cadmium yellow. Obviously you don't need that much yellow, but I use a lot of yellow, so I buy it in a big block. This one's super easy because it's pretty much just equal parts navy blue and yellow. So we don't need to get the cutters out and measure it, just roughly about the same amount of each. If anything, maybe slightly more yellow than navy blue. That's it. And then we're going to mix that together. By the way, if you don't have navy blue, you actually can make it by mixing, I think it was red, blue, and black. I can't remember the exact mix, but if you guys want to know, I can figure it out and make a video on that as well. Once I was making something that needed navy blue and I didn't have any left, so I just improvised and made it. And it was actually pretty spot on to the navy blue that you can buy. And that is it. This is the piece I just mixed, and this is the original piece. I don't know if there's a difference in color showing up on camera, but to my eye, I think this one had slightly more navy, and this one had slightly more yellow, but it's pretty much the same. There's really not much difference. Super easy, super simple. Let me know if you guys want me to make any other color mixing videos, and I will try to do them. Now I'm gonna go make some leaves.